Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Adobe XD for prototyping accessible UI flows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin using Adobe XD for prototyping accessible UI flows, first, ensure you have the Adobe Creative Cloud installed on your computer. Next, open Adobe XD and create a new document. Select the desired artboard size for your project from the available presets. Once the artboard is set, begin designing your user interface by using the various tools available in Adobe XD. Incorporate text, images, buttons, and other essential elements into your design. As you design, remember to keep accessibility in mind. Use high-contrast color schemes to ensure readability for users with visual impairments. When choosing fonts, select those that are easy to read at different sizes. Next, add alt text to images and icons to provide context for screen readers. After designing your UI, you'll want to prototype your flows. Click on the Prototype tab in the upper left corner of the screen. Select a UI element that you want to serve as a trigger for an interaction. Drag the arrow that appears to the artboard or element you wish to link to. In the Interaction panel, choose the desired action, such as tap or hover. Decide on the transition style, like dissolve or slide. Once your interactions are set, it's time to preview your prototype. Click on the play icon in the upper right corner to open presentation mode. Test your flows and interactions to ensure they function as intended. Make adjustments based on your testing to improve usability and accessibility. After finalizing your prototype, share it with stakeholders for feedback. To share, click the Share button in the upper right corner of the workspace. Choose your sharing options, such as access level and expiration date. Copy the link provided and distribute it to your team or clients. As you receive feedback, iterate on your design as needed for improvements. Consider user feedback, especially from those with disabilities, to enhance accessibility further. Remember to continually check your work against accessibility guidelines as you progress. Finally, keep your Adobe XD updated for the latest features that can aid in creating accessible designs. By following these steps, you will successfully use Adobe XD to create accessible UI flows for your prototypes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.